I filled this bucket from my shower in exactly 60 seconds. 1 gallon and 4 ounces. This shower head is rated for 2.5 gallons per minute. That means I'm missing almost half my water. It's not a plumbing problem. It's not low pressure from the city. It's this: calcium and mineral buildup, caked inside every single nozzle. And here's the part that actually costs you money. Your water heater is still heating all that water. It's just getting stuck behind the crud before it ever reaches you. So you stand there longer. You crank the handle hotter. And at the end of the month, your utility bill doesn't care that your shower felt weak. I fixed this in 10 minutes with something I already had under my kitchen sink. $0. Stay with me on this one. The EPA says showering accounts for 17% of all water used inside your home. For an average family, that's nearly 40 gallons a day. Roughly 14,600 gallons a year just standing under running water. Now here's where the waste starts. When mineral deposits clog your shower head, your flow drops. But you don't shower less, you just shower longer to compensate. An extra 2 minutes per person per shower. For a family of 4, that's 8 extra minutes of hot water a day. 8 minutes at 2 gallons per minute equals 16 extra gallons of hot water every single day. Over a year, that's 5,800 gallons your water heater has to heat for no reason. At the national average electricity rate of 18 cents per kilowatt hour, heating 1 gallon of water costs about 3 cents. 5,800 gallons times 3 cents, that's roughly $170 in wasted energy alone. And that's before you count the $12 bottle of CLR you buy twice a year. Or the $35 shower head you replace every 2 years because you thought it was broken. It wasn't broken. It was dirty. Add it all up, you're looking at $150 a year, minimum, on a problem that Vinegar fixes in 10 minutes. Here's why it actually works, and it's simpler than you think. Hard water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium. When that water flows through your shower head and evaporates on the nozzle surface, those minerals get left behind. Layer after layer, month after month. They literally turn to rock inside the tiny openings. White vinegar is acetic acid, about 5% concentration. Acetic acid reacts with calcium carbonate and breaks it down into calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. Those little bubbles you see when you soak the shower head? That's the calcium dissolving in real time. The USGS estimates that 85% of American homes have hard water. That means nearly 9 out of 10 shower heads in this country are slowly clogging themselves right now. The only question is, how bad yours is. A bottle of white vinegar costs $3 at Walmart. A bottle of CLR costs $12. The active chemistry is nearly identical. The difference is the label. All right, here's the build. Took me about 10 minutes. Should take you about the same. You need 3 things. White distilled vinegar, great value brand at Walmart, 1 gallon, $2.98. You'll use about 2 cups for this, so roughly 37 cents worth. A plastic bag, sandwich size or quart size, whatever you have, $0. A rubber band or a twist tie, $0. Total cost, 37 cents, or 0 if you already have vinegar in the pantry. Here's what you do. Step 1. Fill the plastic bag about halfway with straight white vinegar. No need to dilute it. Step 2. Slip the bag over your shower head so the nozzles are fully submerged in the vinegar. You don't need to remove the shower head. Leave it attached. Step 3. Secure the bag with the rubber band around the neck of the shower head. Make sure it holds. You want the vinegar touching every nozzle opening. Step 4. Walk away. Leave it for at least 4 hours. Overnight is better. I left mine for 8 hours. Step 5. Remove the bag. Take an old toothbrush and scrub the nozzle face. You'll see white flakes falling off. That's the calcium. Step 6. Turn on the hot water full blast for 2 minutes to flush everything out. One safety note: if your shower head has a brass, gold, or nickel finish, don't soak longer than 30 minutes. The acid can damage those coatings. Chrome and stainless steel are fine overnight. Now, here's the part I was most curious about. Let's see what the numbers say. Before the vinegar soak, I ran the bucket test. 1 gallon and 4 ounces in 60 seconds. That's roughly 1.3 gallons per minute. After 8 hours of soaking and a toothbrush scrub, I ran the same test. Same bucket, same timer. 2 gallons and 2 ounces in 60 seconds. 2.1 gallons per minute. That's a 62% improvement in flow rate from one shower head with 37 cents of vinegar. I also checked the spray pattern. Before, about a third of the nozzles were completely blocked. Water was shooting sideways out of random holes. After cleaning, every nozzle was firing straight, even coverage across the entire face. I ran my hand under both streams. The difference was obvious. Before, weak, uneven, lukewarm at the edges. After, full, consistent, hot all the way across. I didn't expect it to recover that much. I assumed I'd need a new shower head. I was wrong. 2 things before you try this, because I'd rather you hear them from me. First, if your shower head has been clogged for years and the buildup is rock hard, vinegar alone might not cut it. At that point, you might actually need a new shower head. A decent one runs $15 to $30 at Home Depot. But try the vinegar first. It works on everything short of total petrification. Second, this is not a one-time fix. In hard water areas, mineral deposits start building up again within 4 to 6 weeks. You need to do this every 2 to 3 months to keep the flow consistent. Set a reminder on your phone. If you forget, the nozzles close up again and you're back to wasting money. Here's what changed. Not the plumbing, not the water pressure, not the shower head. Just whether the calcium gets to keep living in there rent-free. 37 cents of vinegar, 10 minutes of work, 2 to 3 months of full water pressure before you do it again. Compare that to $12 for CLR 3 times a year, $36, or a new shower head every 2 years, $17.50 a year. Or the $100+ in extra hot water from standing under a trickle. That's the test. $0 spent, $150 a year saved. See you next time.